Like, how many of you know what a brake check is?
Yep.
Oh wow, look at shit. What you say? Maybe you should start smoking cigarettes today. Or handing me later, I guess that's better. Okay, so. Oh, what state are we in? Oh, sorry, nothing. Can somebody give me the description of a brake check? Like I just did a workshop in San Antonio, and they're a little more calm than the National Head Start Conference. And I asked them what a brake check was, and they're like, that's when you go to the mechanic and you get your brakes checked to see if they're okay. I'm like, you're so cute. And I'm like, I'm going to do this in New York, New Jersey. It's like, okay. So what's a brake check? Somebody raise your, well, I saw a hand move. What, miss, yeah? You tap the brakes with your foot. Okay, she, now behind you, she's like, okay, what? You hit your brakes hard while going 65 miles per hour. Wait, say that again, the last part? Well, they're going to be scared because you're going to be wrapped around your car. Wait, hold on a second. So what you're saying is, if you're that close and you slam your brakes on, where the tail of your car goes up, and then when they go underneath you, and now you have a double-decker car, that'll teach them. What's that? It never happened? How many times have you slammed your brakes on? Okay.